is the second largest distribution system operator here in Finland, with approximately 420,000 customers and approximately 70,000 kilometers of power lines. Our ambition is to improve the security of supply of our network by weatherproofing it and by utilizing distribution automation and smart grid technology. Our grid automation system is very sophisticated and ABB is one of our key suppliers. We can improve our operational efficiency and quality by adding automation, by having mobile applications and digitalization in our core processes and core functions. We have also invested in distribution automation and grid automation systems. We have a very fast and reliable field communication system between our network control center and the primary and secondary substations on field. And now we have integrated together smart meters, automation devices on field, field communication and our core operational IT system to provide new state-of-the-art applications and functionality, such as automatic fault location, isolation and power restoration functionality. We have utilized mobile network communication in our grid automation solution for over 10 years with good experience and performance. For example, in major storms, the mobile communication system has worked properly. As we all know, electricity systems are moving from centralized to decentralized systems, and in this development we see DSOs as facilitators for the electricity market in the future. ABB products and solutions fit to our needs when we want to create a future smart grid.